I've got the Qubo video doorbell. When the doorbell rings, you can see who's at the door through your phone.
Got it.
And you can also talk to whoever's there through your phone.
Okay.
In case you don't have your phone around, you can also see who's at the door through this tablet.
Viren, I got it.
Okay, and don't press this button. This button is DND or Do Not Disturb. You won't be able to hear the doorbell.
Can you stop mansplaining?
I just need to make sure that you will not press this button.
To break the news himself and give him his response. I'm going to come all the way from New York.
What are you doing? You scared me.
I told you not to press DND.